Hi Trojans! Today I'm going to show you a little video about how to schedule an appointment with your academic advisor. One, if you have the TrojanConnect app, you can just use that, click on schedule an appointment, and then follow the prompts. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from your My DSU portal by logging in. And then when you log in, you'll actually click underneath your quick links on TrojanConnect. You will come into your home page. On your home page, you'll see your course listing, the dates and times and location of those classes, as well as your instructors. On the sidebar, you'll see your faculty, advisor, or professional advisor, and any of your instructors for the semester. They'll also have a little envelope here that you can click on to send them an email. Now, scheduling an appointment with your advisor, you just click on Schedule an Appointment. Then you would click My type of appointment I'd like is to schedule an academic advising appointment. I'd like to schedule an advising appointment. And my reason that I would like to come and see my advisor is to change my schedule, or any of those other reasons. I'll click on Next, and then I would click on my location. If I have a faculty advisor, or if I have a professional advisor, or if I'd like to meet with them virtually. Today I'd like to meet with them virtually. At this point, I can click here and see that my advisor, and it will always be listed as your advisor, has availability. I'll click Next, and it will bring me to a calendar of their availability. Let's say I'm not available on this day. I just use this button and move into the following week. Then I click on the day and time that I would like. I'll pick 11. I'll hit Next, and it will tell me that I have an appointment ready to be confirmed for Saturday the 22nd at 11 o'clock. It gives me the Zoom link, which I will receive in an email, so I don't need to worry about copying it from here. And then it will also send me an email and a text reminder. If I want my advisor to know anything specific about why I'm coming in, I can add that in the comment section. I'll click Confirm, and now my appointment is scheduled. You must make sure you hit confirm or that time will be given to someone else. I can then go back and view my calendar, and I can see that my appointment is scheduled at 11 a.m. It's just that easy. So I go from my home page. When I log into TrojanConnect, I click on Schedule an Appointment, and I would select Academic Advising as my type of appointment. If you have any questions, please email your advisor.